I forgot to do the before. And I just got carried away. But I'm trying to make a wall here in a sense. Yeah, it's bowed out in some areas, but definitely a difference. That's how it was kind of on my side. So just trying to create a little wall effect. You know what? This is the first pass. Never did it before. Doing things smart. Done over here. Actually, I need to get over there on the top of that. But you know what? I'll leave it. I just trimmed this the other day. I call that the Burj Khalifa. But yeah, look. This thing's growing pretty quick, actually. And I actually use the smaller, there it is, smaller hedge clipper for that. It's even got another piece would look kind of like it goes straight, and you just detach this one. And what it does, it's almost like for a beard or something. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I do want to get that wall. Problem is, all these grow at different lengths. I think it has something to do with these trees growing above it, of course, too. That happens. This is a weed that I've allowed to grow only because I need the shade. And it gives me more privacy from my neighbor here. Look at how far that thing has gone out. And those over there underneath, they're very short. Those were planted a while ago. Look how big the other ones are. Eventually what will happen is my neighbor will be in total darkness when these things continue to grow. She's a nice lady. She's only one person living there anyway, so I could basically do whatever I want. These things have really taken off. I'll tell you, the green giants, there is nothing better than a green giant when it comes to gates and fences and privacy, whatever you want to call it, because they grow extremely fast. This one down here has already taken off majorly. Those other ones there, yeah, they've been here a long time. The one against the house has been there a long time, but they take forever to grow compared to these. The leadlands too, there's a few in there. There's one there and then one on that side. They'll grow out further, but they can also take off very nicely too. We'll just burn all this stuff quickly before the rain comes. I really do have to clean out this fire pit. It's ridiculous, but I am going to be redoing that. But yeah, just trying to get the wall going, the first initial clip, and then we'll keep slowly trimming. Kind of want to do it down that way too, just kind of bring it back. I don't know, maybe I should just leave it alone. But in some parts, at least this was a good looking wall, you know, so it does make a difference.